guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a friendship bracelet using some leather, a slider clasp, some brass spacer beads, and these little acrylic letter beads. So this is about maybe a foot of 1.5 millimeter leather, and I'm going to go up a little bit on this and just tie a little knot right here. You can see kind of off the center of the middle. And then I'm just gonna string my beads on. So I'm gonna do 4 of these brass spacer beads. And then I'm going to put on my letter beads with a brass spacer bead in between. So I'm gonna say dream. I love these little letter beads. I really like these colors. I think they're kind of a fun, especially for fall. So this one's going to say dream. I'm having so much fun making these bracelets. I really want to make them for all my friends and send them to them so they all have fun friendship bracelets from me, especially my friends that I've had since the 90s. I want to send them updated versions of friendship bracelets. So once you've got all your things on there, it says dream, then I'm just going to tie a knot on the other side. So it's like that. And then I'm going to do a slider clasp in the back so that it's adjustable. So what I like to do is get these 2 ends together, and then you're going to want to take a sharp pair of scissors and you're going to want to cut those at both of an angle so they're like little needles. And then we're going to take the brass spacer bead and we're just going to put those both through. Got one through, then you can kind of hold that to the side and put the other one through. Sometimes it helps to have a pair of pliers to grab that cord and pull it through the rest of the way. And then it's just like that. And then you're going to take either end and tie a knot. And then you have an adjustable friendship bracelet. And you take a pair of scissors and cut off the extra. And you just slide it on. And then you can just hold the ends and slide that down. And then you have a super easy friendship bracelet on leather. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.